We loaded a Hayabusa on a Toyota Hilux. Client reached out to Beard of Motorcycles. He wanted a solution to load 2 bikes on a Toyota Hilux pickup. This Hilux had roll cage bars and soft lid on the cargo area. All has to be stripped to install the loading ramp on the bed. Let's do this. Quickly we unbolt the cage, take off the soft lid and the bed lining. Hilux cargo area is all stripped down ready for measurements. These are the bike ramps. It's time to take it out and get a fair idea of clearances before we finally begin to drill holes. Client loves the look. Past installations have allowed us to create a stencil to mark drilling points for installing flow anchoring brackets. This stencil makes sure we are clear of any obstructions from under the SUV. We begin with a punch to plot the hole, pilot hole to ensure accuracy, then the big daddy drill bit. 6 anchoring plates are installed from underneath to create fixed mounting points for the ramp. This ramp will be held by these heavy-duty steel plates. When mounting 2 ramps, we insist on installing the third mounting set in the center in case the client wants to just take one bike with him just to center weight distribution. We secure the ramps with special heavy-duty steel bolts. Each bolt is evenly tightened to 60 Nm. This ramp uses a DC-powered geared motor and draws current from the car battery. Next step is to route 2 wires from underneath the cargo area and channel them to the car battery. Wires are neatly covered with a sleeve so that they don't get caught during the operation and look good at the same time. The wired remote controller is plugged to the motor controller. We explain the operation to the client. With a press of a button, the choke slides down. Time to get the Busa out and we are ready to load. Mount and secure the motorcycle to the wheel choke with ratchets. Once everything looks safe, we press the load button on the remote to begin loading. And that's how